Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you got an old card on Amazon you don't use anymore. So expired cards can cause payment issues. Removing them keeps your account clean and secure. So Amazon makes this step super easy. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and check on how to remove a payment method on Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Amazon.com. So, all you're gonna do basically now is tap on this link. It will open a new tab or a new window where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go all the way to tap on your account here. Then go all the way, look for your payments. This is basically the menu icon where you will be able to see everything you are looking for, including your cards and accounts, your gift cards, and all of this. So in basically this area, we'll be able to see add payment method, but for you guys, you will be able to see many cards here if you have more than one. So select the card and tap on remove, then confirm. As for an additional tips, you can't remove a card linked to active subscriptions, so make sure you turn them off, then remove the card. Add a new payment method first if needed, so always keep at least one valid payment method. And that's it, that's how to remove a payment method from Amazon. Quick, safe, and hassle-free. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.